Welcome everyone, I'm Alex, and today Sarah and I are taking you along on a real grocery trip. Sarah, before we grab a cart, what's the first thing you do when shopping?
Hi, Alex. I always start by checking my shopping list. It helps me remember what I need and keeps me from buying too much. For example, today we need apples, bananas, milk, and a few snacks.
That's a smart strategy. Lists can really save time and money. Speaking of which, how do you usually organize your list? Do you group items by category, like fruits or dairy?
Absolutely. Grouping by category makes it easier to find things. For instance, all the fruits are together, so we can grab apples and bananas before moving to the dairy section for milk.
Great tip. Let's check our list and start with fruits. This approach not only helps us stay organized, but also makes English shopping conversations much smoother for beginners. Now that we're in the store, Sarah, sometimes it's hard to find what you need. What's a polite way to ask where things are, especially if you're not sure?
A helpful phrase is, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" It's simple and clear. For beginners, practicing this question builds confidence in real-life shops.
Let's try it with another item. If we can't find the bread, I might ask, where is the bread section? Notice how adding section helps staff understand.
Exactly. Also, don't hesitate to use gestures or show your list if you're not sure. Most employees are happy to help, especially if you're learning the language.
That's encouraging. As we move from fruits to dairy, let's remember these phrases. They're not just polite, they make shopping much more efficient and friendly. All right, we found the apples and bananas. Sarah, as we pick up items, what are some useful English phrases learners should practice?
Common expressions include, "Let's get some eggs," or "Do we need anything else?" These are perfect for checking the list and making decisions together.
I like using, "Do we have everything?" before leaving an aisle. It's a quick way to make sure nothing is missing. Did you know studies show shoppers forget about 20% of needed items without a list?
That's right. And repeating phrases like, "Let's check the list," helps learners reinforce both vocabulary and grammar. Plus, its realistic friends often talk like this while shopping.
Absolutely. These small questions and answers turn a simple activity into a powerful language lesson. Let's grab our last items next and head to the checkout. We're at the checkout now. Sarah, what language do we use here? Can you share a typical exchange at the register for our listeners?
Sure. A cashier might say, "Did you find everything you needed?" You can reply, "Yes, thank you." Then, phrases like, "Can I pay by card?" or "Do you need a bag?" often come up.
Perfect examples. To help listeners practice, let's do a mini speaking challenge. Imagine you're Alex at the checkout. Try responding if the cashier asks, "Would you like a receipt?"
Great idea. Listeners, you could answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Practicing these short answers boosts your confidence for real-life situations.
As we wrap up, remember to repeat these phrases aloud. Speaking out loud, even alone, helps train your mouth and ears for natural English in everyday places like supermarkets.